Hi everyone! Check out this heavy-duty Christmas tree stand designed for real trees up to 7.5 feet tall. Its innovative foot-pedal fast clamp system quickly secures tree trunks from 1.2 to 5.1 inches in diameter without screws or assembly. Made with high-strength metal and ABS material, it weighs 16 pounds when filled with water, providing excellent stability and safety. The built-in water reservoir holds 0.85 gallons of water to nourish your tree and keep it fresh longer. Plus, the water level indicator makes it easy to monitor hydration for vibrant green leaves throughout the holiday season. Its simple, green design blends seamlessly with any decor, perfect for homes, offices, or commercial spaces. This adjustable stand is reusable and reliable, making your Christmas celebrations worry-free and festive. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.